What's going on, guys? I'm Ryan. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are safe and doing absolutely fantastic during these extraordinary times. In this video, let's have a look at this FOBO Tire 2 tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS, so you can install it in your car to measure the pressure of your tires 24/7. This will bring safety and peace of mind. So let's make this video short. We'll go through the specs of this TPMS and we'll install it in my car, and I'll show you the app as well and how it works. So this FOBO Tire 2 can be used with 5 sensors, one for the spare wheel that needs to be purchased separately. So as you can see, the sensor there, a battery and a nut that work as a theft deterrent. Moving on to the main unit, of course, FOBO Tire 2, link down below so you guys can check it out. I'll try to get a discount coupon for you. And here you can see there's two different models, a black and a silver one. On the back of the box you can see some key features: real-time monitoring, 24/7 continuous monitoring, auto sync, 6 level of alerts, unlimited vehicle profiles. You can install it yourself, very easy, waterproof. Of course, the battery life on each sensor lasts for 1 year and the in-car unit 2 years. Maximum pressure up to 116 psi, and the sensors itself, they are lightweight, only 7.6 grams. This unit uses Bluetooth 5.0 for fast connectivity. You can see a few more benefits like fast leak detection if you have a puncture, optimized fuel consumption of course, and tire wear optimization. Overall, this unit will bring you some peace of mind. You know what's going on with your tires at all times. Let's crack the box open. Let's see what we have here. User manual, nice packaging. This is the unit itself and the sensors. Over here in this small box we have some more goodies. We have like a wrench, 2 wrenches, a key ring and a sticky pad. Let's put that to the side for now. There is also 5 theft deterrent nuts, and finally the unit itself, FOBO logo there. It will have 4 LEDs, one for each wheel, some ventilation there on the front I believe, and on the side you have 1 button. On the back here you have the lithium batteries, 2 years this should last. Yeah, moving on to the sensors itself. So you have 4 sensors, everything is labeled, front left for this one, for example. Over here we have the quick starting guide. Everything is in English, easy to read. Thumbs up for that. Pause if you want to have a quick read. Over here you have the unit itself, so each sensor, each wheel sensor will connect to this unit, and the unit will connect to your phone via Bluetooth to give you updated information. Here you can see the sensor itself, so this is the front left sensor. The build quality looks steady, looks good. Here you can see the middle bit, the middle thread made of metal, weight 7.6 grams each sensor, and the size I think is acceptable. Here you can see everything that's in the box, plus this 5th sensor for the spare wheel that you need to buy separately. Like I mentioned before, having this kit in your car I think it will give you a peace of mind. If something happens with your tire, small leak, fast leak, you'll be warned, and you can mount it at home without any tools, so you can do it yourself, very easy. Let me just show you how it works. First thing first, you need to download the app on your phone to connect the FOBO Tire 2 with the phone itself. It's available for Android at the moment, but I believe iOS app will be released really soon. So as you can see here, FOBO Tire 2 app, you need to create 1 account, and that's basically it. You just need to pair the unit with the phone itself. From factory you need to pull this tab so the batteries will connect, and now you just need to press the right button there for a while to trigger the pairing mode. On the phone just need to press the plus button there, and on the unit, like I said, press and hold the side button. And that's basically it. Then you can give your car a name, take a picture, and over there you can see the car recommended pressure from front and rear. You have a minimum, a recommended, and a max. Off-road mode here, you can turn it off or on, and in-car unit sensitivity, reduce, normal, and increase. Inside the settings app, it's where you can change your units. For example, you can change it from PSI to bars. You can change the temperature units as well from Celsius to Fahrenheit. And you have a few more options down there. For example, gauge pressure, alert, at zero pressure, etc, etc. You can also track your mileage if you wish to, but according to the manufacturer, it will drain the batteries slightly faster. And that's it, guys. Now let's go outside. Okay, so let's try to put this in the car now. So the first thing we need to do is to remove this tab. So we need to unscrew this and remove this paper thing. So the battery will connect. Let's put it back. And we have this small nut that you need to put on the valve itself. So the bump will face the inside of the wheel. And now we can put this on, the sensor itself. And then using this, lock. Alright, so it's nice and tight. So you need to have the key handy, just in case if you want to put some air in the tire. So there you go, this is how it will look like when it's on the wheel. So let's have a look now on the app. And yes, we can see it there, 2.17 bars, very detailed. And we have the temperature there as well. So let's do the remaining three. Maybe we'll leave the spare tire for later. Yeah, good stuff, guys. And before we go to the other three, let me just show you. If you change it to bars, then the settings here will be different. Here, as you can see, I set different settings for the front and the rear. The unit, it's beeping because it cannot detect the other three. Yeah, good stuff, guys. Okay, let's mount the remaining sensors. Okay, so all four sensors are now installed. This is how they will look like. They could do with a smaller size, but I guess you need to accommodate the battery. So on the app, you can see the four tires, the pressure, temperature, and we have a red warning there for the rear left tire over here. Yeah, so it's beeping, telling us there's something wrong with that tire. Good stuff. Over here we can see there's that information as well. Yeah, guys, overall I think this is a good thing to have in the car for what it does. So what we're going to do now is put some pressure there. I think for peace of mind you should get one of these. So far so good, and I'll keep you updated down below in the comments how this will behave. I'm going to leave a link down below so you guys can check it out, the price at the moment and some more information. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Like always, guys, thank you very much for watching, and hope I can see you all in the next one.